Hello everyone, this is the Shitcoin Detective, and today I want to talk to you about Safemoon. It's about the pricing of Safemoon, since I know that some of you will, want me to do a technical analysis on this chart and tell you where it's gonna end up. So I'm going to get that out of the way. So right now the price is 4 zeros and to 3,700. So let's see how much the price will be. Okay, so 3 zeros and 40,000, and I think this is how the price will end up. Now, this out of the way, let's talk about the actual what I wanted to talk about. Why is the coin doing this cyclic mooning and then going down, or why is whatever goes up must come down? Right. So Safemoon is I don't know if you don't know about Safemoon. I don't know which rock you are living underneath, because right now this is the list of holders of Safemoon. There are 2,300,000 wallets on Safemoon, which is yeah, as I understand, there is 1 million people trading on PancakeSwap. So this is already includes lots of major exchanges, and people have been transferring out their money from the exchanges and putting it into their wallet. So why is it not only going up? That's basically the question. Now, for this to understand, you need to think about people in a rational way. So there will be traders who are thinking rationally and who understand that this the utility of this token is a certain way. What do I mean by utility? Let's talk about, for example, USD or euro. What's the utility of that fiat currency? Now, if I have euros, I can go into the shop and exchange it to a banana or an orange, and you can do the same in the United States with the USD coin. And the utility of this fiat currency is quite high because it's universally accepted. Now, this is not the case for Safemoon, meaning that for every person there will be a price at which point they say, yeah, that's actually, I think the token is worth less than that, and that's gonna be different from people to people. So when you take a look at this chart, there's two information on this actually. Well, there's more, but two information I want you to take a look at, and one is the price is here listed, and the other one is that on the bottom here you see these are the volume which is happening. So when this was going up, the volume was quite high. A lot of people were purchasing. So just take for a second and notice that there is a percentage button here. So this percentage button, when you click it, it tells you compared to the price on the left side here, how much percentage the price is. Now, if you take a look at this is a very large number. This is how many zeros is this? 41 million, 42 million here. So this means that if you invested $1 into Safemoon when it was created, now it's worth 3. Yeah, this is 42 million. So $1 there is now worth $420,000. Yes, if you bought it in the beginning, you would be rich, or you would probably sell it by now, and I tell you why exactly. So let's say you bought a token here, right? You spent 0.5 BNB buying the token. That means at this point, when the token price was highest, you will be sitting on millions of dollars worth of token. Now, if anyone has any experience in investing, this could be the best investment that you ever made in your life. But if anyone has any information about investing, one thing that they will tell you is to diversify your portfolio. So don't have all your coins in one basket, because if that coin goes down, then you lose a lot of money. So diversification, you know, having a little bit in something which is more risky, having a little bit in something which is more safe. Safemoon, I believe, is not a safe investment, even though it's as safe. It's not. You see, if you bought it here, if you bought it when the price was 9,000, now it's only at 3,700, and it would take a lot of money. It would take millions, if not billions of dollars to get the price of Safemoon back up there. So is this a safe investment? Depends when you bought it. So going back to the original point, let's say you bought it here for 0.5 BNB, and this is how the chart looks like right now. You bought it here for 0.5 BNB. The percentage is, oh yeah, it's a very large number still. You will sell, and this is not emotional thinking about that this coin will go up only and it's only going to go up. No, you will sell because you are setting on millions of dollars worth of tokens, and the dollars in your bank account has higher utility than Safemoon. Even if the exchange is coming, even if they are going to make different games or staking, dollar is just more useful than having millions in Safemoon. So there will be people who will be selling. That there will be people who were selling at this point. Are they idiots? Well, on the grand scheme of things, if you're using hindsight, then yes, that was a bad decision to sell here. But you don't have the knowledge that the price will go up even higher, right? At this point, whoever sold had a healthy profit, right? We are looking at this is still like 1,000,000 times or 100,000 times the investment. He could have at this point probably buy a nice car or a house from medium amount of invested money. And yes, the price will still go up by not that much. This is actually maybe 10 times higher. But at this point, even imagine that you bought another token from this which went up 100 times in the price. So I see that this went up 10 times maybe from this point. There will be another token which went up 100 times. So is it stupid to sell Safemoon and buy another token? Well, not really, because you have more money, right? So yeah, people are selling. It's normal. If it goes up like this, if it goes up in an exponential way, I will be selling the token. I sell the token because I take profit. That's why you bought the token, right? If the token has a very low utility value like Safemoon, which yeah, they are going to make a decentralized exchange, so the utility will go up somewhat. But it's less than the euros or the dollars, so you really convert it into dollars and euros and buy a house, buy a car, buy other tokens, spend it on your groceries, whatever floats your boat. So then the other thing is, why is the price going up in chunks like this? Why is it getting more and more difficult to pump up the price? Like here, if you see the pump up happened very quickly, and then some people sold, and here it's getting harder and even harder to pump up the price. If you would extrapolate the same curve here, then the price would need to be much higher. Well, that happens because here at this point maybe thousands of people had the token, and at this point maybe tens of thousands of people had the token. When we are here now, there are 2 million people has the token. So if the price goes up, there will be 100,000 people who are thinking rationally, and they are setting up their own price target that, yeah, you know, I bought it here, right? I bought it at 7,000, and I'm now at a loss, and I've been at a loss for a week. So, you know, I'm setting up my own price target. When it goes up to, you know, I bought it at 7, when it goes up to 12, I'm going to sell, because, you know, that's like almost all-time high. So there will be 100,000 people who set up their price target when they want to sell and when they want to take profit. And that's fine. This is their own decision, and I think everyone is entitled to sell and buy tokens, and you are not, you know, supposed to buy and buy and buy tokens and hold on dear life. So I would like to look at the wallet of one particular person who has been trading quite reasonably. As you can see, here is a wallet with $1 million worth of Safemoon in it, which is, you know, hats off to you. Congratulations, you really made quite some money on this. As you can see here, 98 days ago, so this is basically day 2, day 3 maybe, the launch of the token. He purchased a large number of Safemoon. This is yeah, almost $1 trillion, and he paid not so much money for it. Yeah, as you can see, oh, $80, nice. Hats off, really. So paid $80 for a large number of Safemoon tokens, and he has been selling off since then, right? Even if you look at the current holdings, he only bought it for $80, and now he has $1 million worth of token. But some of these sales are going to be quite lucrative. Yeah, this is him selling off $1 million worth of tokens. So yeah, whoever you are, hats off. You have been really a rational trader. You turned $80 into millions of dollars, and that's why the price is going down, because people are acting rationally. This is completely rational thought. That he said, yeah, right now the price is here, right? This is 20 April 21. Let's see if he's been selling off at that point. Yeah, 20th of April. So when the price was going up like this, he thought, okay, I made a good amount of money. I'm going to sell some of the tokens. As you can see, he didn't sell all of them. He sold some of them because he was thinking maybe the price will go up still, and it did. So this is the current price. You could buy the token for the same price on the 20th of April, which is you know, almost more than 2 months ago. At that point he was selling the token. So this is quite a rational trading, that you buy a reasonable amount. As I said, he spent $80 buying this token, and he's been selling off since. He could be sitting on, you know, more money if he didn't sell ever, but he did sell. Why wouldn't he? People will be selling the tokens, and yeah, it could be upsetting to you because you bought it here and you expect it to go even higher. But think about always how many people bought the token in front of you and what their profit could be. If their profit is really high, they at some point they're going to say, yeah, okay, I'm going to take profit and I'm going to sell the token which I have. Some of it, all of it, it's up to them, whatever their strategy is. So yeah, Safemoon price target, yeah, I think it is this. It's going to end up here. And this has been the Shitcoin Detective. I hope you learned something, and I hope you will, you know, use this knowledge when you are analyzing the price action of a token and what the future movements could be, either up or down or sideways.